How to fix unable to cash in with Gcash via PayPal. If you're encountering issues when attempting to cash in from PayPal to Gcash, then such error messages like "We are unable to process your request" might appear. If that is the case, then the first thing you want to do is relink your PayPal account to Gcash. For that, open up Gcash app, log into your account, then navigate to Profile. Now head over to My Linked Accounts, then select PayPal. You want to unlink your PayPal account. After that, relink your PayPal account by entering your PayPal email and authorizing the connection. Ensure that your PayPal account is verified and that the email address matches your Gcash account. Next thing you can do is check for PayPal account limitation. PayPal may place limitation on accounts due to various reasons such as unauthorized use, account limits, high-risk activity, or inactive account. To resolve this, you want to log into your PayPal account, check for any notifications or alerts regarding account limitations, follow the instructions provided by PayPal to resolve any issues. Once resolved, attempt to cash into Gcash again. Next thing you want to do is ensure your PayPal balance is in PHP. Gcash requires that the funds you transfer from PayPal be in Philippine pesos. So for that, log into your PayPal account. If your balance is in a different currency, convert it to PHP. Add PHP as a currency if it's not already listed. If your issue is still not resolved, then you want to contact the Gcash customer support, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.